this.
You have 50 survivalists, aka control freaks, type A people, all trying to be in charge. At least for me, I'm leaving. I'm out.
It's only day 5, and with the experts down by 9, they're going to have to learn to get along to survive this game.
Come eat. I know you haven't gotten an apple yet.
Red Team's strategy to come together and share resources was helping them survive.
Please only have one. We're sharing. We share here.
Thank you.
I'm used to eating 6 eggs in the morning, and now I'm just eating an apple, but for the money.
But not everyone was willing to live on an apple a day.
That's what I'm saying.
Not much food. Energy's low. Very low.
I have not been feeling well today. Got a really bad headache.
I just want a Waffle House buffet.
Why you gotta start talking, bro?
I'm thinking about it now.
And the hunger cost the Red Team their first 6 eliminations.
Waffle House better be ready, dude.
What's the hardest part for all of you?
Food.
And sun.
And a bug.
Basically everything. What are we working on over here?
I got like the mansion in here. There's 4 of us in here.
How's sleep been?
We've gotten progressively better, but I think that's because our standards have lowered.
How do you think your shelter compares to the professionals?
Oh my God, 100% better.
You're not concerned it might ever rain and water because you're on a decline?
I think I'm delusionally positive.
Should be an easy video for them.
I don't know about that, Jimmy.
How do you think your experience compares to the professionals?
I think most of them have gone home already. If all of them are experts, they're all probably butting heads on like what to do because they think their way is the best way.
And she wasn't far off.
We shouldn't be eating today. This will not last 50 people long.
It's the community choice. Like,
If we want to even make it to the end, we need to really start sticking to something a little more rigorous. This is not comfort. This is survival.
And the eliminations kept coming from both teams.
I'll eat enough for all of y'all.
So to stop the eliminations, the next morning, the Red Team chef, Brittany, tried her hand at cooking breakfast.
Get it. Oh no.
Oh!
Y'all. Sorry, guys.
And the food reviews were, well,
Trash.
not great.
Now I'm sick to my stomach and I don't want to eat anymore.
I want to go home.
Exactly, girlfriend. Help.
After days of tension, Blue Team started the morning by letting loose. But not even a drum circle could stop the infighting.
I understand, but if we can wipe down the counter before
hold on
we
1
cook.
second. Okay, let's just squash this just for a quick second.
No, you should stay and listen. I mean,
How about don't tell me what to do?
oh,
I find it really difficult to be a part of a team. I'm like naturally oppositionally defiant.
And once again, it led to even more eliminations.
Let them eat apples!
My heart's not in it.
And over at the Red Team,
We're out of fruit, so we don't have breakfast anymore.
and the loss of breakfast was too much for 2 more Red Team members.
No, don't do. No.
I miss milkshakes. I want a milkshake so bad.
And just like they don't know how many are left on the opposing team, until the end of this video, you won't either.